Good morning again. Welcome back to the channel. It is day 2. Yesterday we got all these posts drilled and installed and supported. We've got the concrete truck here this morning. We're gonna fill up these holes full of concrete. Then we'll let these dry for a couple days and take the support boards off and get to framing the rest of the building. We've got 8 post holes. The math came out to about 1.25 yards total to fill up all these holes. We'll see how good our math was. Some of you may be tempted to comment that 1.25 yards might not be worth calling a concrete truck in. And normally you would be right. I'm about 45 minutes from the nearest batch plant, and typically it's pretty expensive to get concrete out to me. But I just happened to call this company a couple of days ago, and they told me they had another customer that was only getting about a half a truck, which is about 4 yards today. And I was able to just pay for the 1.25 yards, just the straight yardage, which was only, I think, $300. So for 1.25 yards mixed out of sacks, I think it would probably be a little bit cheaper than that, but not much. To me, it was a no-brainer because I was able to spend 20 minutes this morning with the concrete truck and then go to a full day's work at my job. If I were to pour 1.5 yards or 1.25 yards out of sacks, I'd be here for quite a few hours. And as luck would have it, looks like my math was spot on. We've got 2 holes that probably have a little more mud in them than I'd like to see, but the truck just ran dry on the last hole, and I don't think you can get any better than that. We'll let this concrete set up for a couple of days, and we'll circle back and take off all the supports and get framing on the rest of the building. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below.